So I've been using this Wahl lithium ion beard trimmer for a couple of years now. And actually I have a second one as a backup that I bought, which they went on sale. But I've gotten a number of questions about the videos about this beard trimmer. And the number one question is, how do I change the attachment? That's this piece right here. There's no instructions on the beard trimmer, and I guess people are a little bit unclear about it. So I wanted to just do a quick video about it. Basically what happens is, this is a lever type design right here, where there's a little tab right here. You see that little indentation? What you want to do to remove the tip is just apply some pressure outward on the end. Just push it, it'll pop right off. I know if you ever drop this thing onto the floor, in the bathroom, which is like a easy thing to happen, the tip can pop off and it could be concerning. You'd be like, man, did I just ruin my beard trimmer? That's not the case. This thing is designed to come off easily and reattach quite easily. So now if you want to switch your attachment, look for this little tab right here, this little white piece. They all will have something like that. It won't always be white, but they'll always have a little tab. You want to just put this here, line that up with this, and just lever it into place. You'll see this little notch right here. That will line right up, and just line it up, and it's a little hard to do on video, but pop it in place like that. And now you'll have whatever this attachment is, this little micro shaver or whatever. Same thing with this one. This, I guess, is the nose hair trimmer. You look for that little tab, line it up here, line up these little steps, pop it in place. You're good to go. Same with this main attachment. You could use it. Clearly it needs a cleaning. Just line it up, pop it in place. This one has the best sort of click in place, but it's good to go. And that's true with all the attachments. So yeah, that's how you change the attachment on your Wahl lithium ion beard trimmer. Thanks for watching.